face shield is shipped flat to make it easier for shipping. To finish the assembly prior to using, all you need to do is take the headband, which will fit against your forehead, stretch it so that the face shield flexes into a curve, align the inner two slots with the two slots on the headband. Not like this, but rather like this. On the other side, you can see it's lining up with the two slots nearer to the center of the face shield. So hold it. It may be helpful if you have an assistant hold this and then you can staple it. The best stapler, if you have one, is a handheld stapler like this, but if not, you can use a desktop stapler. Get those lined up and put the stapler so that it goes in like this to about right here and centered on the slots, and then go ahead and squeeze the stapler. You can do it on the table if you would like, and then the staple comes through and it's ready to put the elastic in place. Then bring the elastic around, and then from the outside turn it sideways so it's got a pointed end to go through, and then on the inside pull the elastic through so that you have about 2 inches on the inside. Then feed it back through the center of the 3 slots like this, and then feed it back again to the slot nearest to the edge of the face shield. And then it should look like this, and it's ready to put onto your forehead, ready to use. Now, of course, prior to use, peel off the protective blue film on both sides of the face shield and it's ready to use.